Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be doing a lip tint swatches. So I have here a 2 lip tints. So yan. This one is a Tony Moly Tony Tint Delight. And this one is a Dear Darling tint from Etude House. So I got this for only 178 pesos. Tony Moly store. And then this one, the Etude House Dear Darling tint for 248 pesos. So you know guys how much I love lip tints because I use it every day, every single day. Kapag ayoko na mag-lip or nagde-dry na yung lips ko sa ka-lipstick, ito lang yung aking lifesaver. Kapag feeling mo tsaka ka or pangit-pangit mo, so lip tint lang yung katapat nun. Promise. Lip tint lang ang katapat kapag feeling mo tsaka ka na. So yeah guys, without further ado, let's get started. So guys, I don't have anything or any lip tint or any lipstick on my lips right now. So yan, nilagyan ko siya ng concealer para mag-pat talaga siya, para makita nyo talaga yung shade nung lip tint. So this is what it looks like. Yan. Dear Darling tint from Etude House. So, I'm in the shade RD304. Yan. And itong lip tint na to, meron siyang shimmering glitters sa loob. Ayan, as you can see. And, sobrang cute ng packaging niya. Yan. So, it looks classy. So, maganda siya for me. So, guys, let me swatch it for you. This is the applicator. Yeah, this is the doe foot applicator. And then yan, as you can see, meron siya talagang shimmering, and this is the shade of the lip tint. Yan. Dark reddish na lip tint. Ako sa inyo for applying a lip and cheek tint. So, pag mag-apply kayo using a doe foot applicator, ako ang ginagawa ko is ina-apply ko lang siya on the center of my lips, and then ipapat ko lang siya ng ganyan. So yan, for me, para ma-achieve ko yung gradient effect. So, yan guys. Hindi ko siya totally nilalagay sa buong lips ko. Yan. This is what it looks like kapag walang ilaw sa harap ko. So, yan guys. So, yeah guys. Yan yung kanyang look. And, for me in my own opinion, long-lasting tong lip tint na to. Kung kakain ka man, matatanggal lang yung dito niya sa center. Pero, yung gradient niya sa lips mo, nandun pa din. Perfect pa din siya. Ito na yung ginagamit ko kaysa sa KJM Lip and Cheek Tint. Kasi, naglo-long lasting din siya, and gustong-gusto ko yung mga lip tint na naglalast. So, yun. So, hindi ka naman mababother siguro na maglagay or mag-apply ulit ng lip tint. Kasi wala naman talagang lip tint na maglalast talaga ng a day. As in, 24 hours or 8 hours. So, guys, let's proceed to a Tony Moly Tony Tint. Ito rin isa sa mga favorite kong lip tint. Hindi na ako gumagamit ng KJM Lip and Cheek Tint lately kasi nga, medyo na-addict ako dito sa dalawang to. So, Tony Moly Tony Tint Delight. So, yan yung kanyang packaging. And, ang cute niya kasi meron siyang heart dito. Yung kanyang cup. Yan. Heart yan. So, yan. Plastic bottle. Plastic yung kanyang container. And yun, simple lang din. Simple, classic. Yun. Pero, okay naman. And then, may heart siya dito. Yan. So, I'm in this shade number 2. So, yan. Number 2, guys. So, wag na natin patagalin pa. Let's try na. Ito yung kanyang swatch. Yan. Yan. So, medyo may pagka-orange na red. Reddish orange. Kasi guys, yung formula nito is a jelly. Medyo may pagka-jelly siya. Jelly type, pero liquid. Jelly water liquid type. Yun, ito siya. Yung formula nito is a watery din, pero hindi siya jelly. Yun, liquid type.
Let's start.
Apply ulit natin siya sa center ng lips. And then, here. So, yan guys, yung shade. Red-orange yung kanyang shade. And perfect siya for everyday use kung gusto mong gumala ng walang makeup. Thank you guys for watching my video. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And let's be friends. Till on my next video. Bye!